John Anderson, owner and founder of Star Hill Timberworks. I wanted to take a minute this afternoon to talk with you about a new tool line that we have recently released. We have our original Star Hill layout system, which is manufactured out of anodized aluminum, designed to be very lightweight and operated with a very light touch. As we've used the tool over the past few years, we've determined there are some framers out there that prefer something that's a little heavier duty. Maybe they use these tools, these layout tools for saw guides, or they want something that will just hold up a little bit better when it gets banged around or buried by other stuff in the shop. So we have generated a stainless steel 304 powder coated in blue version of our layout system. First up in the system is the Easy L. It's very similar to, say, a Big Al, or the Timber Frame HQ has a version. It is single-sided. It has half-inch measurements. The top of the tool is 11.5 inches, which allows us to draw housing on a 12-inch timber. Slots are 11 inches wide. And if you look here at 1.5 inches and 3 and 2 and 4, there are unique slot shapes that allows us to easily identify frequently used measurements. This tool has a double bend, and what that double bend does for us, it allows the tool to stick nicely against the reference face that we're utilizing. It sits nicely against the timber and allows us to accurately lay out our mortise and tenon and other joints. Next up is our Easy B. It's our Easy Brace layout tool. It allows even a new framer to lay out a knee brace in under a minute. It has some similar features in that it has a double bend, which helps it stick to the side of the timber. This dimension is 2 inches. That allows us to establish the depth of the housing and the thickness of the tenon, a number of marks. The tool is designed such that the nose of your knee brace will be 1/2 inch. There's variable options for selecting tenon length, and there's variable options for selecting where you'd use an awl to mark the peg hole in your knee brace. This is our Easy T. This is utilized for checking the thickness of tenons after they're cut. We have an 1.5 inch slot and a 2-inch slot. Can also be utilized for layout of mortise and tenon and other joineries by referencing against your reference face and making the appropriate layout mark.